New tow hooks. Let's get to it. So what's going on, guys? Hopefully everybody's getting through this crazy virus and everybody's doing well. I haven't posted in a very long time due to the virus and all this craziness. The business slowed down, so I was focusing on that. Really wasn't doing anything on YouTube, but stuff now is slowly coming back, and we're kind of getting over everything. You know, stuff is getting better. People are getting out of their homes now. Put myself a TV up in the shop. Yeah, I shouldn't be sitting here watching TV, but I'm going to be making a video today. I'm going to be working on the F350, my work truck. I had an issue at the dump the other day where I was just loaded down, and it's dry here in Florida now, and the stuff wasn't compact and I got stuck. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be installing so I don't get in that situation again, because I had nowhere to hook up. Some tow hooks. Simple tow hooks, because the loader was pulling me out, and I mean, I had to really make some crazy shit to get pulled out of this situation, and I kind of screwed up my bumper, but I had nowhere to hook up. So this is a definite must. This should be a simple installation. I'm going to put my drill on charge in case I have to drill a couple holes in the frame, front of the frame. But let me throw my drill on charge, and I'll continue the video underneath the truck to see exactly where I'm going to be mounting these hooks. I'm underneath my truck, and I'm going to utilize this hole here. I'm going to have to get a bigger washer. I don't want to drill too many holes in the frame, and I'm going to put the other hole right about here, and the hook is going to sit at a 45. There's really no other place to put it off the frame. Like I said, I don't want to get too crazy and start drilling into the frame, so I'm going to drill only one hole, utilize this hole here, and that should do the thing. But yeah, somewhere, you know, it'd be nice if I could mount it somewhere under here, but I'm going to get into my sway bar. And it's not really many places to mount it unless you know, make a bracket. But I'm not going to be using this all the time. This is just a probably once every 3 months, maybe, if that, I'm going to utilize it. Ever since I owned the truck, I haven't got stuck once. This was the first time. So, yeah. Let me charge my battery. My battery was dead on a drill. And I'm going to put this up here, mark it, and mark the other side, and I'll continue the video. Alright, guys, so here's the finished product here. It was a little bit pain in the ass, and I did change the angle of it. I went vertical instead of at a 45 because it was too close to the bumper right here, and I didn't want to mess it up anymore if I have to hook up and get pulled out of something. So I went vertical. I used the top hole that was previously here, and I only drilled one into the frame. And yeah, the nuts should be on the other side, but the problem is that my sway bar bolt, for some reason, it's like 8 inches long. I have no clue why, but it is. So I had to back that out to get the bolt back there. And the head's a little smaller than a nut, so that's why the nuts are on this side. But yeah, so I'm all set. I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. There's no point of videotaping it because it's going to be the same process. It's going to be in the same position as this one. And this is going to help me out in the long run if I ever get stuck and need to get pulled out. You know, it's a quick little fix. They're $10 a piece. Got them on Amazon. Can't beat that. Roughly, with marking it up, it took me about a half an hour for one of these to back this one out. So about an hour job for 2 hooks. Can't beat that. But again, thank you guys for joining me. Sorry I haven't posted in a long time. I'll be posting more videos now that the virus we're on the down slope of things, and it's actually getting better, you know. And so yeah, I'll continue making videos, and you guys don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and see you on the next video. See ya.